Fennel seeds derived from the aromatic and flavourful herb known as fennel, Foeniculum vulgare, have been used for centuries in both culinary and traditional medicinal practices. These small oblong seeds offer a plethora of health benefits and culinary delights, making them a versatile and valuable addition to your kitchen. In this detailed summary, we will explore the various ways in which fennel seeds contribute to a healthy lifestyle and enhance the taste of numerous dishes. Here are 7 health benefits of fennel seeds. Digestive aid. Fennel seeds are renowned for their digestive properties. They contain compounds like anethole, which help relax the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating, indigestion, and gas. Chewing on fennel seeds after a meal can aid digestion and leave you with a refreshed mouth. Antioxidant properties. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which help protect the body against oxidative stress. These antioxidants can contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases and support overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory. Fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate various inflammatory conditions. They may be beneficial in managing arthritis, reducing inflammation in the body, and providing relief from associated pain. Heart health. These seeds contain fiber, potassium, and heart-healthy compounds that can contribute to cardiovascular health. Regular consumption may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Fennel seeds can serve as a low-calorie and fiber-rich snack, aiding in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing overeating. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds are known for their expectorant properties, which can help relieve respiratory issues such as coughs and asthma. They may also help in clearing mucus and soothing a sore throat. Nutrient-rich. Fennel seeds are a source of the essential nutrients, including vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients play a role in supporting various bodily functions, from bone health to immune system function. Here are some culinary delights of fennel seeds. Spice blends. Fennel seeds are a key ingredient in many spice blends, such as Italian sausage seasoning, Chinese 5-spice powder, and Indian spice mixtures. They add a distinct anise-like flavor and aroma to dishes. Baking. Fennel seeds can be used in baking, particularly in bread, biscuits, and desserts. They infuse a sweet and slightly licorice-like taste, elevating the flavor profile of your baked goods. Pickling. Fennel seeds are often used in pickling vegetables, providing a unique flavor to pickles, chutneys, and relishes. Their aromatic qualities enhance the preservation process. Tea. Fennel seed tea is a popular beverage known for its soothing properties. It is often consumed to alleviate digestive discomfort and is a caffeine-free alternative for those seeking a warm and comforting drink. Culinary garnish. Fennel seeds make an excellent garnish for a variety of dishes, from roasted meats to soups and stews. They add both flavor and texture, enhancing the overall culinary experience. Marinades and rubs. Fennel seeds are used in marinades and rubs for meats and fish. They not only impart flavor but also help tenderize and infuse the dish with a delightful aroma. In conclusion, fennel seeds are more than just a flavorful spice. They offer a range of health benefits and are a versatile ingredient in the culinary world. Whether you're looking to improve your digestive health, add depth to your recipes, or simply enjoy the unique taste of fennel, incorporating these seeds into your daily life can be a delightful and beneficial choice. Thanks for watching.